Assalamu alaikum students. I am your IYS teacher. I am your English teacher from IYS school. I hope you all are fine. Today is our fourth class of this week and it is our last class also. So I hope you all will take this class very from the beginning and understand it very well. Okay, today before starting our lecture, I'm going to share some instructions with you. Kindly follow these instructions. Don't interrupt me during the lesson. Once the class will end, you will free to find a question regarding to the lecture. Audio is okay from my side, so please check your connection. And if you lost the connection, uh, try to join the meeting within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Then I am sharing screen with you. So whenever I tell you to take the screenshot, kindly take the screenshot of that screen because it will your home task. Okay. Now I am going to start my lesson. Today our topic is additional matter in which we are going to complete our grammar portion, which is present continuous tense. Okay, students, you all know very well that tense means time duration. Tense means time duration. Okay, so and present means the time which is going on now. Okay, present continuous means the time which is going on now. Like you are taking class, so this is your present time and it is going on now. Okay, the current time, the present time which is going on now is called present continuous tense. Okay, moving towards the definition of present continuous tense: an action that was started in past and still going on in present. Okay, like I told you that the action which is going on in present, but of course if an action is going on in present, it started in past now. So the action which was started in past and still going on in present, the action which is going on in present is called present continuous tense of the verb. Okay, students, now this is the formula and formation of the present continuous tense. Now we use subject, then with the subject we add auxiliary verbs is, am and are. Okay, is, am and are the auxiliary verb, are the helping verb of present continuous tense. Understand? We use first form of verb with the ing. Ing with the verb shows the continuity of action. Okay, ing with the verb shows the continuity of action and then the objective part of the sentence. So here is the formation, the formula of present continuous tense, which is subject plus is, am, are plus verb's first form plus ing and the object. Okay, now I am giving you the examples. I am writing a letter. Okay, I am writing a letter means you are doing some work right now. You are writing a letter right now at that moment. Okay, so which are the helping verbs? Am and ing. With the writing, ing shows the continuity of action here. Then she is cleaning his room means she is doing cleaning right now. Is is the helping verb of present continuous tense and ing with the verb shows the continuity of action. Then they are playing with the ball means still they are playing with the ball. An action it is going on now. Okay. Now we discuss the use of is, am and are, where we use is, am and are. We use is with the he, she, it and any singular noun. With the any singular noun we use he, she and it or any pronoun. Okay, like he is doing his work, she is doing his work, it is raining. These all are the examples of is. Okay, now when we use am, we use am with the I. I is the only pronoun in which we use am with. Okay, then are. Are is used with you, we, they, and any plural nouns. Any for any plural noun and any plural pronouns, like they are doing work, we are playing in the rain, you are doing your work, and Ali and Shahryar are playing football. So these are all the example of are. Is used with the singular pronouns and nouns. Am is only used with I, and are is used with the plural pronouns and plural nouns. Okay, now these are some more examples of present continuous tense. Okay, the boys are playing football after school. Okay, the boys are playing, because boys are plural, so we use are and ing with the verb. Sentence number 2, they are learning Spanish now, means are show they is the plural pronoun, and so we use are with it and ing with the verb. Why aren't you doing your homework? Means this is the question, this is the interrogative form of sentence. Okay, why aren't you doing your homework? You are asking question, and are is used with the why. Okay, so you will write are with it. Okay, Susan is ironing her clothes right now. Okay, right now in this sentence showing the present continuous form of a tense. Mary is at university. She is studying chemistry. She is mean she is. We can also write she is with apostrophe s. Okay, she is working right now. She is working right now. They aren't studying English these days. Means they are not studying English these days. She is constantly changing her hair color. Children are studying their lessons. The man is talking on the phone. Understand, students? So I am repeating again. Present continuous tense is the tense in which we use to tell the present habits, the time which is going on now, the action which is continuing now is used studied under the present continuous tense. And what are the helping verb of present continuous tense? Is, am, are. We use is with the singular nouns and pronouns. Am is only used with I, and we use are with the plural pronouns and nouns. Moving towards the next tense, past continuous tense. So the definition of past continuous tense is an action that was going on in past without interruption. Means you are going to the action which was continued in past, which was continued in past and without interruption. Okay, you all know very well past means the time which is gone, and the formation of tense is subject plus was verb plus first form of verb plus ing and object. Now, was and verb are the auxiliary verbs of past continuous tense. These are the helping verb of past continuous tense. To show past continuous tense in the sentence, we use was and verb. Understand? Now, these are the examples. They were having coffee. Okay, now these tense describe the past time, like they were having coffee. I was watching TV. I was watching television. Means the action was continued in past time. They were eating sandwiches. Eating sandwiches are was the action which was continued is past. Okay, so in past continuous tense we talk about the action which that was continued in past without interruptions. Now, these are some uses of was. We use was with I, he, she, it, and singular nouns. With singular nouns and with these words, with these pronouns, I, he, she, it. I was doing my work. He was doing his work. She was doing her work. It was raining yesterday. These are some more example of was. Were. Were is used with you, we, they, them and plural nouns. Okay, for plural nouns we use were. Like you were watching television, we were watching a movie, they were playing in the garden, and plural nouns mean more than one noun. Like Sarah and Saima were playing with the doll. So this is the example of were. Now some more examples of past continuous tense. The sun was shining every day that summer. Okay, the sun was shining every day that summer. This is the action which was described in the past continuous form of verb. As I spoke, the children were laughing at my cleverness. The children were laughing at my cleverness. The audience was applauding until he fell off the stage. Applauding means clapping. You are explaining the action that was continued in past. I was making dinner when she arrived means I was making dinner when she arrived. Okay, now you are explaining the past action which was the action that was continued in past. At 6 o'clock, I was eating dinner. At 6 o'clock, I was eating dinner. She was talking constantly in class those days. Okay, now you are telling here the uh, action which was continued in past. We use was because she is the uh, singular pronoun, and ing with the verb shows the continuity of action. At noon, he was arriving. At noon mean at afternoon, he was arriving. We use was because he is the singular pronoun, and arriving means the shows the continuity of action. And see the sentence number 2. The children were laughing at my cleverness. Children are the plural uh, form. Children are the plural pronoun, plural noun, so we use were with the plural nouns. Understand, student? In past continuous tense, we talk about the action that was continued in past without interruptions. And what are the helping verbs of past continuous tense? The helping verb of past continuous tense are was and were. Was is used with he, she, it, and I. And for singular nouns, and for plural nouns we use were, you, we, they, them. Okay, these are the plural pronoun. Now moving towards the next tense, that is future continuous tense. Okay, future means the time which is going to happen, the time which is going to happen. Okay, continuous tense. Definition: future continuous tense is referred to the work which was unfinished and likely to be continued in the future. Future continuous tense is also same like the future simple tense, but in future continuous tense we talk about the action that was unfinished in past. Mean if you started some work in past and due to some reason it stopped, and now you are likely to continue that work in the future, you use future continuous tense. And the only helping verb of future continuous tenses will be, auxiliary verb for future continuous tense is will be. Will be is the only helping verb here. So the formation of sentences like that: subject plus will be plus verb's first form plus ing and then object. Now there are the examples. I will arrive at 5 o'clock. I will arrive at 5 o'clock. Understand, students? At 5 o'clock, I will be meeting with the management about my race. Michael will be running a marathon this Saturday. Eric will be competing against Michael in the race. I will be watching Michael and Eric race. Now these all are the sentences which shows the intentions of a person or the future happening of some action. So to describe the future activity, to describe the future intentions, to describe the future actions, we use future continuous tense, and we use helping verb will be with all singular and plural nouns. Okay, students, I hope you understand this. These all three tenses. Now, I am going to share your home task. Your home task is complete exercises in composition part of your copy. Now, I am going to show you exercises which you have to done in the composition part of your copy. Understand, students? These are the exercise for your present continuous form of verb. These are the exercises of present continuous verb. You have to complete the sentences with the present continuous form of the verb. This is your exercise. Please take the screenshot and complete this exercise in your fair copies in your composition part. Okay. Uh, First of all, write the write the question. Complete the sentences with the present continuous form of the verb in bracket. Now, first of all, write the question with the black pointer. Then write the blanks with the blue ink pen, and fill the blank with the black pointer. Understand? Number one blank is, my sister dash watch TV right now. So number two, dad dash not wash his car today. Okay. Third, the boy dash not play tennis today. They dash drive to work right now. I dash write in my notebook at the time. Number six, Jason dash study music this year. Okay. The children dash not swim at the park. The woman dash sit in the park. Now you have to complete this exercise in your fair copies. Take the screenshot of the slide and complete this exercise in your fair copies. I will do first blank for you. Now do all the remaining sentences by yourself. Okay, my sister is watching TV right now. Is used because here you are talking about a single person sister, and watch, along with the watch is the first form of verb, so we add ing, so it become watching. My sister is watching TV right now. Take the screenshot of this screen So I will move forward. Okay, this is the exercise for your now. I am showing you the exercise of past continuous tense. Okay, this is the exercise for your past continuous tense. Okay, first of all, write the question. Complete the sentence using past continuous form of verb. First of all, on the next page, write the question with the black pointer. Complete the sentences using past continuous form of verb. Okay, students? Then you will write the sentence with the blue ink pen and fill it up with the black pointer. Understand? Now I am reading this exercise for you. He dashed the guitar when his mom came home. Okay? Martin dashed his classmate homework when the teacher saw him. My sister dashed when she came home from school. A bad boy dashed a younger student after school. Bully. The words shown in the brackets are the verb. You have to change them in the past continuous form of verb. The verb given you at the last of the sentence in the bracket are the verbs. You have to change them in the past continuous form of verb. A bad boy dash a younger student after school. Okay, bully. Sentence number 5. The dash dinner at home last night. Have. Okay, now you have to complete this by adding past continuous form of verb here. Number 6. My mom dashed the violin at 9 last night. Practice is the verb. You have to change this verb in the past continuous form of verb. Number 7, the students dash when the principal arrived. Fight. Okay. Now you have to change the word verb fight in the past continuous form of verb. Sentence number 8. They dashed their cell phones in class yesterday. Use. Number 9. He dashed graffiti when the teacher saw him. Spray. Okay. John dashed on the exam. Cheat. Students, take the screenshot of this exercise and do it in your copies. Understand? Now, I am moving towards the next exercise. This is the exercise for your future continuous tense. Okay, this is the exercise for your future continuous tense. Complete these sentences using the future continuous tense. Okay, this time next year I dash live in Srinagar. Okay, at 8 p.m. tonight I dash eat dinner with my family. They dash run for about 4 hours. Marathons are incredibly difficult. Unfortunately, I dash work on my essay, so I won't be able to watch the match. She dash study at the library tonight. Number 6. Dash you wait at the station when she arrives. I dash drink at the restaurant while you are taking your exam. Does she visit her grandma again this week? This is the question form of the sentence, okay? At 3 p.m., I dash watch that movie on channel 4. Blank number 10. They attend your concert next Friday. It would be lovely to see them, okay? The exercises I have shown you are the homework for you, as a home task for you. You have to complete these exercises by your own. I am doing number 1 for you. This time next year, I dash live in Srinagar. this time next year I will be living in Srinagar. Okay, I'm going to solve blank number 6 with you. Okay, for you. Dash, you wait at the station when she arrives. Will you be waiting at the station when she arrives? First of all, add will, then subject you, then first form of verb waiting, then future continuous form of the verb waiting. Okay, will you be waiting at the station when she arrives? Okay, students, now this is your home task. Okay, these three exercises are your home task. Take the screenshot of this exercise too. Okay, now this is your home task. Complete exercises in composition part of your copy. You have to complete these exercises in your composition part. Okay, for if you want to practice more grammar, then I am going to share this website for you. For more online practice of tenses, visit englishgrammar.org. Englishgrammar.org is the website where you can practice more for tenses. Okay, students, this is all for the today's class. I hope you all understand it very well.